Hey guys, have you tested a very tasty milky chinchin? Have you? If you've not, please watch this video because I'll be showing you how I made this milky chinchin. Like, this chinchin tasted so nice. Just go ahead and get your flour. You will be needing 8 cups of flour for this chinchin. Just add 8 cups of flour into it. I'll list the list of the ingredients in the comment section, not in the comment section, in the description box down below, or in the comment section, wherever. I might put it in the comment section and pin it, or in the description box. So do check comment section or description box, whichever one. So after that, you go ahead and add your sugar, add your salt, and after adding salt, the next thing you have to add is nutmeg. So I have to go ahead and grate in some nutmegs into it. 1 nutmeg is enough for me because I don't want it to smell a lot of nutmegs. Yeah, so 1 is enough. If you want it to smell more, do well to add more of it. And after that, you go ahead and stir. And after stirring, the next thing is your butter. Butter. What did I say? Butter. So go ahead and get your butter. Measure 250 grams. This is how I measure it. If you look on the nylon, you will see where it has 50 gram. 50 gram means that you have to cut like 50 grams into 5 to get 250 grams. Okay, so after cutting the butter, I'll go ahead and slice it into small pieces into the flour. You need to cut the butter into pieces so that you can be able to mix it without stressing yourself that much. Okay, so use your knife and cut it into small pieces, and after that, you mix the butter and the flour together. Okay, go ahead and mess up your hand. That your pretty hands, you have to mess it up to taste a very milky chinchin. Okay, so after mixing it, you go ahead and add in your milk. This is where the trick comes in. As you're adding, be mindful because you don't want the batter to be watery. Is it batter or dough? Oh, this one is dough. Yeah, you don't want the dough to be watery. Okay, so as you add the milk, you mix and you check the consistency. We want to have something like, we want a hard dough, not a watery dough. Okay, so keep on mixing. At this point, if you like, you can go ahead and mix your evaporated milk with condensed milk. You can mix them together and add to it. You can also add powdered milk, but for this one, I am using only evaporated milk, and this chinchin came out so nice. Now it's time to get to the main deal, which is rolling and cutting. So go ahead and roll out some dough, and after that, you go ahead and cut into the sizes that you want. If you want to design yours, like have some heart shape, love shape, whatever, you can just get a cutter that has that kind of shape and cut it out. But for me, I'll be doing the regular chinchin shape, okay, which is square or triangle shape. So I will roll it out, and after that, I will take out these rough edges. Then I'll go ahead and cut into the sizes and shapes that I want. Like I said, I'll be making the regular sizes. Well, while cutting, you don't need to be a pro to cut it very well. All that matters is the taste of the chinchin. That's all that matters. Okay, so after cutting, this is when you will know if you got the right dough or not. If you got the right dough, after cutting, it will be so easy for you to pick the chinchin from the table. It will be easy for you to, like, as you can see the way I am gathering it. It's not sticking, it's not sticky, like it's moving, it's coming out so easily because I got the right dough. But if you don't get the right dough, after cutting, it will be difficult for you to pack it out. Like everything will stick to the table, you can't even pack it out. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video so that your loved ones would also benefit from this video. Okay, so right now we move over to the cocoa. Go ahead and add oil into the pot. I made a mistake, I used small pot, and at some point the oil was overflowing, but please use a bigger pot. Okay, so add oil into a pot, let that oil heat, let it be hot, like let it sizzle. And how do you know that it's ready to be used? Just put 1 chinchin into it, and if it starts bubbling, if it starts sizzling, that means the oil is ready. The next thing you have to do is go ahead and add your chinchin. Add it gently, oh. Be careful so you don't burn yourself, okay? So the one thing you should do now is that while you're adding it, don't stir it. Do not stir it. It doesn't matter if they stick together or something like that, but do not turn it until about 1 minute or thereabout before you can stir it, okay? So be careful while you're adding it to make oil no go, peel your skin, because I almost got myself burnt while doing this. So be careful while doing that. As you can see, my pot is almost overflowing. I did a very big mistake. I should have used a bigger pot, but it's fine. It's fine. So guys, this is it. This is the best way you can use to make your own delicious yummy milky chinchin. Yeah. So now after that, I have to go ahead and stir it like turn until your head starts turning, and then you know that the chinchin is ready, okay? Right now the chinchin is ready. We have to go ahead and take it off the oil. As you can see, it's looking beautiful, brown, golden, milky, tasty chinchin. That's what we got here, okay? So now you go ahead and take it off the oil. So while taking it off the oil, make sure you place a parchment paper into the bowl or serviette into the bowl, okay? Place a parchment paper into the bowl or serviette into the bowl so that it can help to, dry out the remaining oil from the chinchin. Okay, guys? So once that is done, now you have to transfer the chinchin into a very clean container. Find a container that has a lid, that has a very tight lid, that you can add the chinchin into it, but don't cover it yet. You have to wait until it cools down before you cover it, okay? So continue to fry the chinchin until everything you cut is finished. So guys, this is the easiest way you can use to make your own tasty, milky chinchin at home. Okay, guys, did you see that goodness? Did you see how crunchy and milky it looks? You need to test this chinchin so that you can confirm. So guys, like I said, I will leave the measurement in the description box or in the comment section. So do well to check it, and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Bye.